Welcome to the class, dear students. I am Priyanka Gupta and we are covering your English grammar book, Impact. And we are studying about nouns. This is your first chapter. And we have completed 3 points from the chapter. Today we will start 4th point, functions of nouns. Okay? So let's see what are the functions of nouns. Students, there are 5 functions of nouns. First is your subject of a verb. Second is complement of a verb. Third one is object of a verb. Next is your object of a preposition. Next, possessive. And the last one is calling names. So, there are 5 functions of nouns and we will study one by one function. So, let's start with the first function. This is subject of a verb. Students, there are 5 points to be noted. So, let's see carefully. A verb shows doing, having or possessing. And for this there should be a doer who works. Yes. If verb shows doing, having, possessing, so this is compulsory. There will be a doer who works. Third is the doer or the possessor is called subject. Yes, the doer or the possessor is called subject. And this is the point which is most important. A sentence basically consists of 2 words. A sentence basically consists of 2 words. And what are these? First is your a subject and second one is your a verb. These are 2 things and these are very important to make any sentence. Clear? For example, let's see example. His mother cooks food daily. Yes, his mother cooks food daily. So your subject is here, his mother, and remaining part will be called your predicate. Clear? And come to the second function, and this is complement of a verb. So we will learn what is complement of a verb. Be is an incomplete verb. Yes, of course. What are the be forms? Is, am, are, was, were. Is, am, are, was, and were. Okay, these are your be forms and these are always needed to a subject. Be is an incomplete verb. It needs a noun always and sometimes adjective and adverb to complete its meaning. Clear? Any be verb is always an incomplete verb and it needs a noun to complete its meaning. And which noun complete its meaning are called complements. Clear? So for today it is enough and we will continue from the third function of the nouns. So keep it up. Thank you.